Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to this very short video tutorial. And this video tutorial is on how to generate or create responsive ad code in Google AdSense. I know many of you already know how to do it, but thousands of you also at the same time don't know how to do it. So if you design and develop your own website and you want to put Google AdSense ad on your website or blog, you need to create responsive ad code. Or if someone is developing your website, you have to give the responsive ad code to your developer to place on your blog or website. Okay, let me show you how you can create your own responsive ad code in Google AdSense. Okay, now let's go to my Google AdSense account. Click on sign in. Go to your own Google AdSense account. Okay, this is my new Google AdSense account. Um, Actually, it's not my, it's um, another one's my client. I usually work for her. Okay, so let's click on my ads. Then we are not creating auto ads, we are creating ad units. Okay, click on ad units, then just click on add new ad unit. We want to create this one, you can create this one too and this one too. Actually, process are same. So click on select and just name of this ad. You can name it responsive ad. Okay, then make sure it has tick mark on it. Then just go to little down and just click on save and get code, and just um, right button click and copy the code and place it on your website or web blog, or you can send it to your developer, and developer can set or place this code to your website or web blog. That's all for today, and in the next tutorial I will show you how you can also create more different sizes of ad code. Thank you.